YouTube? Welcome back to another video with the Houseman Investor Channel. In today's video, I got some crypto price movements for you guys, as well as a few great stock picks. And we're going to look at 25 stocks that I just bought. If you like this type of content, hit the like button for me. I'd really appreciate it. Subscribe, hit that bell if you want to follow my journey. Now, hit the description below if you want to read about what I do here on this channel, what it's all about, as well as hit any one of those 4 affiliate links or all 4. Get yourself some free stocks and free cash. Lastly, my social media platforms are also down in the description if you'd like to follow me on social media, as I do post every day regarding stock and crypto. Now let's jump into it. As you can see here in the Coinbase account, and I had some price movement on Tezos XTZ. It is valued at 3607. I do have 8.11 coins, and as you can see, I'm getting a 4.63% APY for staking Tezos on Coinbase. Lifetime rewards thus far is, very little, not even $1. As it is very recent on these purchases that I bought Tezos. As you can see, the last time I put in $19 and then $12. So as you can see, I just buy a little bit every time. A little bit at a time. I either buy it weekly, sometimes I buy it, quarterly, just depending on, what I have saved up for cryptocurrency. Some great stock picks for you guys. These are all going to be, the last one's going to be based on price movement. First, we're going to look at MSGS, Madison Square Garden. I'm sure everybody knows what Madison Square Garden is. It's probably the most famous arena in the United States, out in New York. The Knicks play there. They have a bunch of concerts and comedy stuff like that. It's like the Mecca of New York. It's where everybody wants to perform at. That's what everybody wants to sell at when they become like a star, like a rapper, singer, or comedian, or like basketball teams and stuff like that. But anyway, Madison Square Garden is going to be one of my recovery plays for 2021 as everything starts to open back up. They're going to start making a lot more revenue along with the other stadiums. Another thing I looked at was the statistics on the amount of money Americans are saving on average is basically, a lot more than usual, because people have been locked inside. So a lot of people have money stacked up in savings. So my thesis is, once everything opens back up, people are going to take a lot of trips, go on vacations. They're going to be spending a lot of money. And, sporting events is something that I see people spending money on. And that's why I added Madison Square Garden to the watch list for a long-term play. Next, we have Ulta Beauty. This one here is a great stock as well. Great financials, very profitable company. It is near its all-time high. If you're buying at the moment, according to the technical charts, you could be chasing it, but I'm going to watch the price movement on this one very closely, and it's something I'm going to jump into long-term, either way it goes. So definitely do your due diligence on these stock picks, and look at the financial reports and stuff like that. The last one here we got is EDU. This one I purchased solely on price movement in the technical charts. It's due for a nice breakout, so definitely jumped into this one, and I actually think I bought some of this today, so we'll check that out. Now for some more crypto movements. This is in the Webull portfolio. As you can see, I have Ethereum. I am up $7.08, up 9.08%. My average cost is around $1,700. I put in $78. It's now worth $85.08. It's currently sitting at around $1,900 per coin. I do have 4% of a coin here in Ethereum. Actually, my last purchases were made in February as well as in March. Just small buys, $37, $4, $8, $12, $17. So pretty much with all my crypto, what I do is just dollar cost average my way in and buy a little bit here and there. I do have several different accounts that I buy crypto in. So this one here is fairly new in Webull, as anybody that knows about Webull knows that they just recently started, allow you to trade crypto. So of course I jumped on that. Next we have Crypto.com. As you can see, my portfolio is valued at $80.85. I am up 8.33%, up $6.22. We had some price movement today, I believe, in VeChain. It was up 15.16%. It is valued at $31, and I do have 472 tokens there. All of their holdings I have are like Polkadot, Binance, and Bitcoin. Looking at the Coinbase account, my portfolio is valued at $611.59. Some of the holdings I got is Uniswap, Bitcoin, Ethereum, Herein Finance, Tezos, Chainlink, Litecoin, Zcash, Ethereum. Uniswap's valued at $40.48. I do have 1.19% of a token. Bitcoin's valued at $38.68. Ethereum's valued at $37 even. I have about 2% of a coin. Tezos is valued at $36.22. This is one I called out earlier. As you can see, I get that nice APY on that one. Ethereum Classic is valued at $33.58. I do have 2.76 coins. Some more coins I have are like OMG Network Dash, which is valued at $31.95, and I have about 13% of a coin. We got Rapid Bitcoin, Stellar, Bitcoin Cash, EOS, DAI, AAVE, and the Graph. We have Synthetic Network Token and Cosmos. So if you want to get into crypto, do your due diligence, please, and see if any of these coins are something that you want to buy into. The most famous one is probably going to be Bitcoin and Ethereum, and of course the meme coin, which is Dogecoin. And yes, I do invest in Dogecoin myself, and I was investing a long time ago, way before the hype. Looking at PayPal here, we have our account valued at $426.82. As you can see, I got Bitcoin, Ethereum, Bitcoin Cash, and Litecoin, as they were all up, and you can see under the names there of the value of each coin. Now we're going to get to the 25 stocks that I just bought. This is in the Robinhood account. I purchased $119 of ticker BBH, which is 71% of a share. Strike price is $167.41. Then I purchased $120 worth of Zscaler, ticker ZS, which is 68% of a share. Strike price is $171.40. Then I purchased $121 worth of VMC, which is 71% of a share. Strike price is $169.10. Purchased $122 worth of Stamp.com STMP. Strike price is $170.52. Then we purchased $103 worth of VRSK, which is 71% of a share. Strike price here was $171.65. Then we purchased EDU, which is the one I showed earlier as a stock pick for you guys. So as you can see, when I add them to my watch list, I do actually purchase everything that I show you guys. To keep on your watch list, I also keep on mine, and I also buy those stocks as well. I'm not just showing you guys random stocks. But anyway, we put $124 in EDU, which is 69% of a share. The strike price is $177.20. Then we put $125 into Airbnb, ticker ABNB. This is 68% of a share. Strike price is $182.18. I'm just now getting into Airbnb. I let all that IPO hype die down. Of course, I let the correction happen as well, which made it a great buying opportunity. But I see Airbnb, they're very innovative. They basically changed the game in that sector of the real estate market. So definitely see them as a long-term buy. So that's why I established a position in it today. Then we put $126 into Dollar General, ticker DG. We bought 69% of a share at $181.98. Dollar General is a great stock, very, very profitable. I encourage you to go look at their profit margins. their net and gross margins, as Dollar General is kind of it's pretty much a recession-proof stock, because even during the height of the pandemic, people were still going to places like consumer good places like the dollar store and purchase a lot of their items, small food items, personal care items, and things of that nature. And they do sell an assortment of household name brands as well as their own brands. So very, very good stock pick here for the long term. Then we put $27 in ticker VIS, which is 69% of a share. Strike price is $182.83. Then we put $128 into ticker CAPE, which is 68% of a share. Strike price there was $186.30. Then we went ahead and deposited $63 into the Robinhood account. Made one more purchase, ticker IT, for $129, which is 69% of a share. Strike price was $186.60. Then we went ahead and deposited $30 into the moomoo account. Deposited $29 into the public account. Then we deposited $31 into the Fidelity account. Deposited $29 into Cash App. We made one purchase in Cash App. We bought $16 worth of Vanguard Extended Market ETF. I believe the ticker is VTX. I love ETFs because they give you a lot of diversification. Usually super low volatility, not much fluctuation on downward trend, and they usually pay a nice dividend, so you'll get that passive income as well. And then you got funds like, for example here, Vanguard is a very great hedge fund that can give you a lot of good stock picks. So this one here is going to focus on the extended market, which are going to be some unique companies that most people aren't going to buy into. Vanguard is going to provide those for you all in one bundle. Then in the stash account, we made some purchases. We purchased $7 worth of Teladoc, ticker DOC. Great, innovative healthcare stock here. A lot of technology. Like I said, a lot of innovation. Definitely a great long-term play. This one's been really beaten down, so definitely a great price to get into right now. Then we purchased $8 of CrowdStrike's Holdings, CRWD. This is a play on cyber defense, which is very, it's in very high demand, and it's going to continue to be more and more, as these cyber attacks and cyber bullies and these hackers and stuff like that continue to get smarter. You're going to need places with cloud security and cyber security. So CrowdStrike's definitely a top name in that sector, and definitely a great long-term play. Then we purchased $9 of VeriSign Inc., ticker VRSN. VeriSign Inc. is a company that provides, things where you can sign via your smartphone or like your iPad or whatever, tablet. That way you could just sign, through the app, so you don't have to be signing actual physical paper documents. And this is a very profitable company as well. Then we purchased $10 worth of Etsy, ticker ETSY, which is a great commerce play. You can go to Etsy and buy just about anything on that website. Great prices. Very, very profitable e-commerce company. E-commerce really took a boom during the pandemic since people were locked down, and it's going to continue to rise and continue to grow. Even though the tech sector has been beaten down, there's kind of a sector shift going on where a lot of people are taking their money out of those tech plays. A lot of them were overvalued and overbought anyway, and they're putting them now into your recovery plays, like your airlines, cruises, gaming, stuff of that nature, like stuff that's going to bounce back. Real estate, medical. It's really like the things that you need, like medical, consumer goods, things of that nature, are what people are going to put their money into, because those are things that everybody's going to need on a day-to-day basis. So of course it's going to be a nice sector shift, but don't get me wrong, tech will recover, and it will eventually reach all-time highs as well for that sector. Then lastly, we went ahead and purchased $11 worth of ticker HII, which is Huntington Industrials Inc. And then we deposited $29 into Charles Schwab. We made a purchase of $8 worth of T-Row Price Group, ticker TROW, which is a great dividend play. So I do have, as you will see, reinvesting dividends. Got the drip feature on all these dividends for compound interest here in the Charles Schwab account. Then we purchased $9 worth of Target, another great dividend payer, a great company, very profitable, recession proof. They're going to be your consumer staples, consumer goods store. So definitely a great pick there with Target. Then we bought another dividend company. We purchased $12 worth of Stanley Black & Decker, ticker SWK. Stanley Black & Decker make your a lot of your tools, like your hand drills and stuff like that, saws, all kinds of different handheld electric and battery powered tools, which are going to continue to fly off the shelf, and they make a lot of money selling these items. So definitely another long-term passive income play. Then we put $11 into 3M, ticker MMM. 3M makes a variety of different products. A lot of people probably know them for just like tape, super good tape, but they make so many products. Do your research, look at everything that they produce, and this is a very profitable company as well, and one of my favorite dividend stocks as well. So great passive income stock as well. Then we went ahead and purchased $6 worth of General Dynamics, ticker GD. Another great dividend stock. We purchased $13 worth of Clorox, ticker CLX. Another recession-proof stock, very profitable company. And trust me, Clorox makes a lot of more products than bleach. A lot of people only know Clorox for bleach. But once again, do your research and look at everything they make. A very great company. Make a lot of household products, stuff that we buy every day, use every day. Then we went ahead and purchased $7 worth of Chubb, ticker CB. Purchased $10 worth of ADP, Auto Data Processing Company. Very cool technology company. Make a lot of great products. They put their stamp on a lot of different things. Do your research if you want to find out exactly what they're into. But I'm sure everybody pretty much knows what ADP is. And those will be my 25 buys for the day, and a few different portfolios. As well as some crypto movement I gave you guys and some nice stock picks. If you want to look at any of the stocks I bought, do your research and see if there's any of these stocks that you want to add to your portfolio as well. So that'll pretty much sum up the video. I appreciate you guys tuning in. Hit that like button, subscribe, hit that bell if you want to continue to follow my journey. This is the thumbnail for my last video. If you want to see what I bought yesterday and what I had going on, check that out. I'd really appreciate it. Drop a comment below, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Thanks for tuning in.